Numbers. Numbers is the foundational to the modern scientific and the technological world. As we know that mathematics is all about numbers and equations. We use these 10 symbols 0 to 9. Have you ever wondered from where did these numbers came from? Who invented these numbers? Why we use this 10 symbol to write any large numbers? There are many theories and ideas that how these numbers were developed. In Stone Age period, people know nothing about the numbers. So it was very difficult for them to keep the idea about the animals or the number of the persons. So they started carving tally marks into bones, wood or stone. But as the complexity increased, this method of tally marks was no longer sufficient to count for the large numbers. So as they developed, different civilizations came up with the way to write the larger numbers. Greek, Hebrew and Egyptian. Numerals were the extension of the tally marks with the new symbols. As you can see that in Egyptian system, a coiled rope was used to represent 100 and the water lily was used to represent the 1000. To represent the larger numbers, symbols were repeated. For example, if you want to write 300, then 3 coiled ropes were used. But there was difficulty in remembering the symbols, as for large numbers, new symbols were needed. Roman numerals added another twist, a system that used the combination of letters from the Roman alphabet remained dominant in Europe till 14th century. Again, problem was writing very large numbers with the Roman numerals. So there was need for the positional system that allowed to reuse the same symbols. Several civilizations developed positional notation independently, like Babylonians, Chinese and Aztecs. Babylonians introduced the base 60 system. As you can see, it is believed that the base 60 system is the foundation of the way we tell the time. According to this time division, they divided a day in 24 hours, 1 hour in 60 minutes and a minute in the 60 seconds. Today the number system that we are using is base 10 system. It is the Indian contribution to the mathematics. By the 8th century, Indian mathematics had perfected a decimal positional system. In this system, position of symbols indicate the powers of the 10. For example, if you want to write 441, then it can be written as 4 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 1 into 10 power 0. This is how the base 10 system works. Mayans had developed a base 20 system, including only 3 symbols. Here, shell-shaped symbol representing 0, dot shape representing 1 and the 5 is represented by the bar. Mayan number system was remarkable because first recorded 0 was appeared here around 3 BC. It is later devised in India in mid 5th century. Hindu-Arabic numerals is the most common system for the symbolic representation of the numbers in the world. It was invented by the Indian mathematicians between 1st to 4th century and later it was adopted by the 9th century in Arabic mathematics. So it is called as Hindu-Arabic numerals. So from Stone Age period we move to primitive civilization and then to Egyptian. This is all how it gave rise to the modern number system. So the modern number system came from the medieval. Medieval came from the Arabic number system and further Arabic came from the Hindu number system. And Hindu number system came from the Brahmi number system. As you can see, Brahmi includes 9 symbols. 0 was not introduced at that time. It came later when Hindu script was written. There is interesting side to these 10 symbols. Why these symbols are used, not any other one? These symbols can be verified from the number of the angles. As you can see, the symbol 1 contain 1 angle, symbol 2 contain 2 angles, and so on. Symbol 9 contain 9 angles, and the 0 contain no angle. So this is how the numbers are invented. I hope you all get some information about the invention of the numbers. So please like and share the video. Thank you so much.